ഞങ്ങളുടെ ടുലിപ്പ് സ്പെഷ്യൽ UK ആൻഡ് യൂറോപ്പ് ടൂറിൻ്റെ 4-ാം ദിവസത്തെ യാത്ര നെതർലൻഡ്സിൽ നിന്ന് ബെൽജിയം വഴി ഫ്രാൻസിലേക്കായിരുന്നു. നെതർലൻഡ്സിലെ ഹോട്ടൽ ഹോറിക്കോമിൽ നിന്ന് രാവിലെ 9 മണിക്ക് തിരിച്ച് ബ്രസൽസ് ടൂറും കഴിഞ്ഞ് പാരീസിലെത്തുമ്പോൾ വൈകിട്ട് 7:15 മണിയായിരുന്നു. യാത്രാമധ്യേ അറ്റോമിയം, കത്തീഡ്രൽ ഓഫ് സെൻറ്റ് മൈക്കിൾ ആൻഡ് സെയിൻറ്റ് ഗുഡുല എന്നിവ സന്ദർശിച്ചു. ബ്രസൽസ് സിറ്റി ടൂറും കഴിഞ്ഞ് പാരീസിലേക്ക് വളരെ നീണ്ട യാത്രയുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അങ്ങനെ ഞങ്ങൾ ബ്രസൽസ് സിറ്റിക്കടുത്തുള്ള ദ അറ്റോമിയം എന്ന ആധുനിക ശില്പത്തിനടുത്തെത്തി. ഇതാ വരുന്നു ഞങ്ങളുടെ ടൂർ മാനേജർ JK. സമർത്ഥനായ ഒരാട്ടിടയനെ പോലെ വരൂ വരൂ എന്ന മന്ത്രോച്ചാരണത്തിലൂടെ ചിതറിപ്പോയ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് മെമ്പേഴ്സിനെ ഒരുമിച്ച് കൂട്ടി ഒരിടത്തിരുത്തുവാനുള്ള ശ്രമത്തിലാണ്, തത്രപ്പാടിലാണ് അദ്ദേഹം. യൂറോപ്യൻ യൂണിയന്റെ ആസ്ഥാനമായ ബ്രസൽസിലൂടെയുള്ള ഒരു ബസ് ടൂർ ആയിരുന്നു അടുത്ത ഇനം.
Belgian husbands do what their wives ask, so also the king. Now you see the color of that church. White is beige, that is sandstone, very soft but also vulnerable for pollution. 10 years ago it was totally black, and official buildings, also churches, are taken care of by the state, and it is the state that paid for renovation. In this church there is a crypt underground where the marble tombs are of the deceased kings and queens, a little bit smaller than the Taj Mahal. Complicated traffic situation. That's why during the week there are always traffic jams here. But looks like we're lucky today on Sunday. We're not allowed to build higher in Brussels because the airport is less than 15 kilometers away. What about Indians living in Brussels station? Can you hear me? But then if people talk and talk loudly, then 50 years ago, there was still some industry in Brussels, like food production and distribution, but also textile and even metal. But that's all finished now. We're on the so big hotels here to the left-hand side, and also famous hotels, Hilton here.
Starbucks ഉണ്ടോ?
On Sunday during the week, it is so full of cars over there that you're always stuck for an hour. To the left is the former botanical garden of Brussels, and Belgium is known for cultivating vegetables, fruit, etc. Nowadays, everybody talks about fries in Belgium, potatoes, fries, but more important, Brussels is full of foreigners, and quite a few of them are very rich. One of the richest people in the world, a Frenchman, is also living in Brussels. His name is Arnaud, and you all know his products, the champagne, Moët Chandon. You'll get to drink that in France. Handbags, Louis Vuitton, clothes, Dior, etc. So he is one of the richest people in the world. He is based here in Brussels, because in Brussels he pays less taxes than in France. Traffic is flowing. We're very lucky today. We'll go straight, Andre. Looks like traffic is flowing. Yeah. And as JK says, orientation tour. So with no other Santa Monica group, I'm able to go to the European district because it's so full of cars. You already see the flags of the member countries. 27 at the moment. There used to be 28, Britain included, but the Brits prices have gone up since the EU was established. In fact, it is an economic project. But if you, we have to stop beyond this traffic light. So Andre has to stop for the red light, and then as we move on, slowly have a look at your right hand side beyond the traffic light. There you will, and you can choose 1 out of 24 languages. How many languages has India got officially? 29? Here there are 24. President is a German politician, a lady, von der Leyen. She's on TV all the time. So this building is star-shaped, just like the stars on the European flag. We turn to the right. You have to. Yeah. Now, pay attention at your right-hand side. You'll see a beautiful triumphal arch. Right now, have a look at your right. The triumphal arch. Can we go down? Oh yes, we're lucky. Yeah, here we go to the right. So the right building is used by the government of the EU, so they are here permanently. In the building to the right, there is the Council of the European Union. That is the meeting of the heads of state, of the 27 heads of state. They meet at least once every month. That is in the building to the left. That strange facade is made by reused window frames from all over the EU. So kind of ecological reused window frames. And inside there is a vase-like structure, something like 35,000 civil servants. On top of that, at least the same number of lobbyists. Do you know what lobbyists are? Lobbyists trying to defend the interests. Belgian license plate. Yeah, yeah. Have a look at your left-hand side, then you have a better view of the European Parliament. Right now, left-hand side. So the tall glass building, all that glass that you see is the European Parliament. At your left-hand side, you see the biggest palace of justice in Belgium. We're going to downtown Brussels, to the lower part of the city as well. In front, you see the spire of the city hall. We will go there on foot. And that city hall, town hall, is on the most beautiful square in Europe, according to UNESCO.
ബ്രസൽസ് സിറ്റി ടൂറിൻ്റെ ശേഷം ഭാഗം കാൽനടയായിട്ടായിരുന്നു.
Déjà la promesse dégage par le Christ, notre Seigneur. Zusters en broeders, van harte wensen wij allen een mooie zondag gezegend.
ബ്രസൽസ് സിറ്റി ടൂർ ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു.